Hello students, once again welcome to all of you. In today's lecture, we are going to study types of e-commerce business. Lecture number 2. Now, we will see types of e-commerce business. There are several types of e-commerce business. In previous lecture, we have already discussed B2B e-commerce, B2C e-commerce, C2B e-commerce. Now, we are going to study remaining types of e-commerce business. Here, customer to customer e-commerce. It means C2C. Consumer to consumer e-commerce or C2C is simply commerce between private individual or consumer. C2C helps consumer connect with other consumer who have item to sell. For example, me selling a car to my neighbor. So students, C2C helps consumer connect with other consumer who have item to sell. It provides a way for consumer to sell to each other with the help of an online market. And C2C, all transactions take place between customer to customer. And the website is acting as a platform that bring buyer and seller together. This is a C2C e-commerce diagram. Here, customer 1 and customer 2 and website. First of all, customer 1 wants to sell their product to the other customer using the website, and customer 2 wants to buy their product. It receives the product from the customer 1 and customer 1 receives the money from customer 2. So this is the actual process of C2C e-commerce. And another example, the customer located in Mumbai and Pune can register. A customer from Mumbai places an advertisement of a website. A customer from Pune, while surfing the website, look at the advertisement and decide to purchase the product. Then the deal is finalized between two customers through the website without an actual meeting. In this category, consumer interact directly with other consumer. It facilitates the online transaction of goods or services between a people. So, this is actual process of C2C e-commerce. Okay. Next is business to government. B2G is the exchange of information, services and product between business organization and government agencies online. For example, government procurement, e-learning, updating corporate information, etc. This is a diagram of B2G e-commerce. Is customer to government e-commerce. In this model, an individual customer interact with the government. For example, a consumer can pay online in his income tax or house tax. C2G transaction where consumer provide services to government have yet to be implemented. Okay, so this is a C2G e-commerce. Next is business to administration. The business to administration, it means B2A, category covers all online transaction between companies and public administration. B2A refers to all transaction between companies and public administration or government agencies. Government agencies use central website to trade and exchange information with various business organizations. A diagram of B2G e-commerce. Here, business organization and administration. Business organization sells their product to the administration. Okay. Thank you.